Hi and welcome to Mio's video channel. My name is Sally and I am about to show you how you can create a flower pot hanger. This is another version that we have here at Mio. So let's go. Okay, so first find something to hang your ring onto. I put a nail in the wall, which I feel works perfectly fine. You could also use a door handle or anything that you would like. Now you want to cut your piece of yarn into a couple of different lengths. We can start by cutting 3 ropes in 4 meters each, and then a 4th one that is 5 meters long. Okay, so now I cut 3 ropes that are 4 meters each. Find the middle of these ropes and pull them through the ring so that you have the middle of the ropes 2 meters each on each side of the ring. Like that. And then take the piece of rope that is 5 meters long and pull that through as well so that you have the middle of the rope here. Like that. Now we're gonna make a knot right here, and for that we need another piece of rope that is 80 centimeters. So go ahead and cut another piece that is 80 centimeters and I'll show you how to make the knot. This could be a bit tricky, but when you learn it's actually not, and it looks really pretty, so it's worth learning. I think it's easier if you just look. I make a loop, the loop upwards, with a small piece of the rope here and the longer one on the other side, and then I twist around all the ropes about 6 times, but you could actually make as many as you want to. Depends on what look you want. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you created a little loop here, as you see. Take the end of the rope, pull it through like that. Then you also take this piece and pull these ends so that the knot goes into the bigger knot, like that. Then it becomes tight. Then you can adjust it. Usually pull it upwards like that. Voila! And then I cut these ones so they're not in the way of the rest of the creation. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna teach you a knot that is called the half knot. It's a knot that you repeat and you get a twist automatically. I will show you how to do that. First of all, find the 2 pieces of rope that you cut 5 meters long and take them on each side of all the other ropes like this. Then you take the right rope and lay it across the others. Then you take the left rope underneath the right one and behind the rest and into this loop, like that. You pull and again exactly the same thing. over, left one under and behind, and into the loop that you created. And pull. Right one over, left one under and behind, and into the loop that you created. And now you make this 20 times. As you see, it already starts twisting by itself. Here we go. Ready? You see? Done and done. And now we're gonna make another one of these. So go ahead and cut another piece that is 80 centimeters long. Okay, so now we want to create another one of these, but below the twist. So make a loop. You have the short end and the long end. Twist it around all the ropes 6 times. And then pull it through the loop. Then grab the short end and pull, so that the knot goes into all these, like that. And then you cut the long end and the short end. Oops. There we go. So what I usually do now is that I hang it a little bit further up so that I can reach. And now I want to measure where I want my pot to sit. So usually, maybe we can start do the first knots around 30 centimeters down. And now you want to grab the cords that are naturally next to each other as these two and make a single knot. That. And make a single knot on all 4 pairs and make sure that they line up. Like that. And then you can adjust a little bit afterwards. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna create the knots that will hold the pot. And you can place them whatever you want, but I'm gonna place them around 30 centimeters down from the lower knot. And then I will take the ropes that are next to each other naturally, because that will make the prettier look. And then I create a single knot like that. I will make 4 pairs totally. And I want them to align. So now we have our 4 knots. Now we're gonna make another 4 knots, but we need to create a basket so that the pot can sit into it. And therefore, we are gonna pick one of each rope from pairs that are naturally next to each other. And you can here also pick wherever you want to place these knots. Depends on what look you want, but I want to place it around 15 centimeters down. Like that. Now we want to grab these two. Like that. Do you see? And here we want these two. Make a knot. That. Now you have the last two at the end. So make a knot out of those two. Like that. Then you can adjust them so that they align, all four. Great. So now you have this basket, or what you could call it. But for the pot not to fall down, you can make a huge knot out of the rest. So I'll make a huge single knot with all the ropes, like that, and just either you pull it through all the way, or what I like to do is to do this, just because it looks nice. Like that. And now we can try it. Alright, so I hope you had a lot of fun creating your flower pot hanger. I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.